Hi everyone, this is Robin and I'm here with Evil Client and we are doing beginning nail art tutorials, and I was done for the day and then I thought, well, let's do a really fun and quick 5-pronged red flower. So what you do is you so I started with red paint that I got from Michael's, and I fill my brush up about halfway. I don't even know if I'm going to keep this tutorial, but I'm going in and pushing in 3 like that, like a 3-prong tutorial, which you'll find in the beginners playlist. Okay, so then when you have your 3 in here, all you do is, let me make sure you're in frame. Okay, then what you do is you push in 1, 2, and then you have the perfect little flower. I can't even begin to tell you how many millions of these I've painted. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And that's all there is to it. And then near the cuticle, you want to stay close. And if you want a bud for a flower, then you just dot, 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 and then pull. And you have a bud, and then you can go backwards onto yourself like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. That then with orange can go over the top. It can be semi-dry right here, kind of tacky, and you don't have to worry. Go near the cuticle and really watch yourself when you're in the cuticle area. You don't want to get it on there. Okay, there's that. And then, no, none there. Lastly, with yellow, you go straight up and down and use your brush that you get at robinmosesnailart.com. It is the wand. And then when you're straight up and down, it turns into a stylus. And you dot in your yellow. And there is your little 5-prong flower. There is nothing I can say enough to tell you that this is going to be something that you will never regret learning for your clients, especially if you have a big clientele. You can use this as an accent nail and you will never go wrong. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, pass this to someone that you know wants to learn, and everybody that you know loves art, and I will see you back with more. Bye.